Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to apply for ETA Australia online. Applying for an Australian ETA is done entirely online through the official Australian ETA mobile app. And it's one of those processes that looks complicated, but mostly just involves following prompts and not rushing the photo part. First, make sure you have a valid passport, a smartphone with a working camera, NFC enabled, location services on, and a valid email plus payment method ready for the service fee. Usually around 20 AUD. Download the Australian ETA app from the App Store or Google Play, then start a new application where you scan your passport so the app can automatically pull your personal details like name and date of birth. After that, you'll take a live photo of yourself, answer a series of eligibility and background questions, and confirm your contact details. Once everything is filled out, you pay the fee directly in the app and submit the application. Processing is usually quick, often within hours, and you'll receive the result by email. So it's important to also check your spam or junk folder just in case it tries to hide from you. If approved, your ETA is digitally linked to your passport, so there's nothing physically to carry, just your passport and your confidence at the airport. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.